Hey there, friends. I hope you're having a great day. Another week in the market that hurt quite a bit. We start off Monday and Tuesday pretty good, and then the rest of the week was pretty much just a fallout. But let's get right into DWAC here, Digital World Acquisition. Now, obviously, if you're clicking on this, then you probably know quite a bit about this stock, about this company, about this situation, about everything that's coming right here with all this. Now, with the market taking a toll this week, we're still seeing Digital World here walk up. We're still seeing a strong growth pattern in this. And this looks like by next week, we could be in the $90 range. Now, to put you where I'm thinking this is going to go here, I've always said walking up to February 21st here, when Truth Social is going to launch, when everyone's going to be able to download it, use it, ads will be running on the platform. Day one, we are making money off of it. Day one, things are happening. Day one, it is on, it's probably going to be on every news channel, radio station, everything. There's going to be people making YouTube videos about it. It's going to be crazy. Walking up into February 21st here, I've always expected this to walk up over $100. Now, $100 to $120, I think we could easily see that. Is that going to happen? Obviously, we don't know. There's already a huge evaluation on this stock right now and what it's going to do, and there's a lot of different mixed opinions out there. Like I have said before in the past about this stock, and there's a few other things we're going to talk about here that are pretty big right now, even with Facebook. But one thing that I have said to people and I have warned people about, just so you know where I stand with this, I'm very bullish on this company, on this stock. But I think there is going to be a massive sell-off here somewhere after February 21st. Is it going to be the 22nd, 23rd? Possibly. Who knows? It really depends how this is going to launch, how well it's going to launch, and how it's going to be accepted into, society, and what kind of response it's going to get, obviously. So obviously, we could see a little bit of a bull trap situation happen here. But saying that too, we're watching this walk up happen right now. And we've seen this walk up before with this stock. Digital World right now being in a, $70 to $80 to a $90 bid price range right now. This is nothing we have not seen before. What we're trying to see here is, can we walk over $100? Can we sustain $100? And how long can we sustain it before there maybe is a massive sell-off? Just to recalculate the bid price of what it's going to be. Is this going to go to a $50 bid price, or is this going to stay around a $100 bid price? But what is so interesting right now, guys, is that I don't know if you've been reading this, but Facebook is having some issues. There are some, Meta, but we'll just call it Facebook just so everyone's on the same page here. Facebook is obviously having some problems here. They have been losing a lot of money. The stock is in a little bit of a downward trend. Obviously, I'm not saying Facebook's going anywhere, but it's funny enough that Facebook is having this trouble right now in this brand new big social media platform that obviously is probably going to have at least 5 to 10 million users probably within the first week of it coming to, everyone's phone here. So a few things that we know right now, and we've talked about this before, two key things right now with this company is that they have been gifted / raised $1 billion in investments for the company. So the company already has quite a bit of money right now to help it get started, to help it run. But what we also know too is that, one of the last videos that we did about this, we talked about, the finances and the math of what Facebook alone does in just a given day. Facebook makes around $340,000 on a given day. That's a day. Imagine that. That's crazy numbers. What other company do you know that makes that in a day? And that's really just off ad revenue, the majority of that. And also Truth Social, they have a lot of things planned out. Not only are they trying to make this into the new big social platform, but they're also trying to get into, broadcasting, so many things that are down the pipeline right now with the thought process, nuts and bolts of what this company is pretty much going to try to be doing here in the next 4 to 5 years. So friends, right now, this is sitting at a $3.02 billion market cap. That's just right now. Volume is at a steady 5 million to 8 million right now. At least this week it is right now. So friends, every day we get closer here to February. So friends, every day we get closer here to the launch of this February 21st. I really think we're going to see this get closer and closer to really obviously breaking into a $100 range. But with that too, there's a lot of people surrounding this deal. And there's a lot of analysts / people that think, you know, whether or not you like Trump, I'm not making this video to say like, wow, look at what Trump's doing. I'm making this video based on us as investors. As investors, we're looking for new big opportunities. And I think you would be a little crazy to think this is not an opportunity. I mean, whether you like it or not, Trump still has a immense following. I mean, a huge following. So this company, as long as everything goes through and gets approved, I mean, this is going to make money. It is going to make crazy amounts of money. But right now, we're just playing the waiting game. That is what we're doing. We're playing the waiting game. So friends, I'm not going to talk anymore. I'm just going to say I'm excited to see what's going to happen here. This is a very unusual and maybe a little weird thing that we're investing in right now, that we're seeing right now. And, just the overall general market right now is a little upside down and a little weird, but it's okay to invest in weird things that make you money. And right now, as long as this deal goes through, I don't think this is going to stop. I really don't. Like I said, I think there's going to be a major pullback at some point, but that major pullback will be the reset to start wherever we're going to start, whether it's a 2-digit number or a 1-digit number or a 3-digit number. The longevity of this stock and this company, if it starts to do and it does what it says it's going to do, the sky's the limit for where this is going to go. I mean, it really is, friends. So friends, I will talk to you very soon. Remember, be positive, be you, take time to invest in your future, and I will talk to you soon, friends, with a brand new week in the market. Talk to you later. Bye, everyone.